Hi friends, today we'll have a look at a very different and easy chicken recipe which I have named it as soya chicken, especially for kids. Let's quickly have a look at the ingredients. We would require 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 3 tablespoons of soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, coriander leaves, 2 capsicums, 3 onions, 2 green chilies which is split and halved, 5 to 6 garlic cloves finely chopped, pepper powder, salt to taste, half kg of chicken with wings and breast pieces, curry leaves and some oil to fry. Hope all the ingredients are noted. Now let's quickly start the recipe. Add oil in a pan and let the heat be over medium flame. We'll add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Saute it very well. Add those 2 green chilies which are split and halved. Fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. And let's add those chopped onions. Once it turns little color, we'll add half tablespoon of turmeric powder, garlic cloves, and let's cook onions until it becomes soft. Now let's add chicken pieces to it. Stir it well so that the turmeric gets mixed well. Now add curry leaves. The more you add curry leaves, it gives you a rich aroma flavor to the chicken. Now let the chicken cook until it turns white. Let's add salt. We'll also add pepper powder. It depends on how spicy you eat, and this is the only ingredient which is going to give spiciness to the chicken. We're not going to add any chili powder to this. And now close the lid and let the chicken cook for 5 minutes. Now chicken is cooked. Let's add capsicum. Please don't add the capsicum initially, it may turn soft and mashy. Stir in between every 2 to 3 minutes once. Now let's add vinegar. Stir it well. Add 3 tablespoons of soya sauce. Saute until those sauces are well combined to the chicken. Now the chicken should cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. Now almost the chicken is getting ready. We can also add spring onions. This is an optional one. That's the reason I have not included on the ingredients list. Let's add few drops of lemon because it gives the tangy flavor to the chicken. Stir it well. We will leave it on a low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Let's close the lid for a while. Now almost the chicken is done. Let's add some coriander leaves to it. Now let's transfer to the serving bowl. And let's garnish using coriander, lemon and with some spring onions. Now our soya chicken is ready. Taste it, and if you like it, subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.